Hey guys, it's Lily. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark and here on YouTube, and today is part 2 of my Goodwill Blue Box jewelry unboxing. I am going to keep this to about 15 minutes today for a couple of reasons, but main reason is it is 5:30 p.m. and I don't have the video ready to go by 6. So, let me get this out of the way. What's that? Oh. And I'll just pull them some things and try to make it just about 15 minutes today. Alright, here we have a wrap bracelet in an array of colors, pretty colors. And I think they are acrylic, but it's pretty, and a wrap bracelet. So let's just see if I can get it on here without making a mess. Very nice, vibrant colors. It's in really good condition. I would do $2 on that. And we have a broken. They are faux, but the clasp is broken, so those will go into craft. And that's cute. This is a, does not say, stainless steel back. It says what battery it takes. And it's adjustable. It's cute. It's got an elephant on the face. I believe it's probably faux leather cuff watch. It does have the plastic still on the face. So I'm sure it just needs a battery. So let's say $3 on that. That's cute. This is a pretty necklace and in good condition. There it is. It's a double necklace. It's not marked. It's a very lightweight silver tone double necklace, very dainty for as much as going on here. So let's see. Let me measure it a different way. I don't like measuring these necklaces this way because it's really never accurate. Tangles. Can you say tangles? Alright, so the first layer is going to be about 15 inches, and it has a 3.5 inch extender, about 3 inches, say 3 inch to be on the safe side. This is in really good condition, and it's pretty. So let's just put $2 on that. This is cute. Look at that. That is a deer carob, a silver tone chain. It's got a tangle in it. I'll get that out, but not tonight. That is marked, the chain is marked 925. I'm not sure about this little guy. But I bet you he is marked somewhere. I got a couple new things here to help me see. So we will see if they are helpful. This is marked with something, but they could make things any tinier, right? Ugh. It's like a chalkboard. Oh my god. Yet, I was filming earlier today, and Zara came in here and knocked it over. I was so mad. I really can't tell on that one. I could swear it's silver. It's not going away. So, I'll recheck that before I put anything on the screen. But the chain is 925 for sure. And I swear I see something on there, but it's so darn tiny. But it is cute. Really cute. Actually, yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and let's just put $10 on this one. That is adorable. Alright. I'm not going to be showing too much, it looks like. Oh, let's just grab this. Oh. Oh, look at this brooch. Oh, it's missing a stone. Oh, bummer. You know, this looks like a Juliana. I'll have to do a little bit of research, but I think so. Wow. And this is loose. It needs to be tacked back on right there. So it goes like that. This is definitely vintage. That is gorgeous. I'll put something on the screen. I'm not really sure. But I'm pretty sure that it's a Juliana brooch. And if that's the case, it's worth quite a bit of money. I don't know with the missing stone. We'll see. All right. Here we have just a long necklace. This is glass. The blue is glass. I'm pretty sure those are faux pearls. Yes, they are. There's no clasp. All right, what did I do with my measure? This is a pretty necklace. Very pretty. And it is 28 inches total. That is pretty. No clasp, so it's just throw it around your neck. Say these are glass. Let's say $3 on that one. This one's very nice. Yeah. These are glass. Or are they not? No, I think they're acrylic. These are acrylic. It's got some shell, brass tone, chain. I'm having a day today. I'll tell you what. I just can't get it together. So you could double this if you wanted to. This is 17, 20, 34 inches. So yes, you could double it if you wanted to. That is very nice. These are acrylic and these are shell. So let's say unbranded. That is nice. Let's say $3 on that one too. This is different. Okay, well this was branded because it has a little diamond here, not diamond, but you know, crystal there, but it's got some wear. The chain has some wear, and this has some wear. So let's just put that into craft. It's possible it will clean up, but I don't know for sure. Oh, this is fun. Look at all these seed beads. brass tone hardware. Not much wear on the hardware. This is pretty. Look at those colors. Very springy colors. These are acrylic. Just probably need to be wiped off. That is pretty. I really like that. Definitely gonna be choker length, but let's just check it. It is 16 inches with a 2.5-inch extender. So yeah, that is pretty. There you go. So let's put $3 on that. What else? Oh, looky here. Look at this. This is definitely vintage. Non-marked. I've seen something like this. My guess is it's probably gold-plated, but it's got all of the stones here. All the different stones, turquoise, amber, amethyst, tiger's eye. I'm guessing that these are all genuine stones. That is pretty. Really like that. Again, something I would wear. And it is small. Definitely small. 6 inches. Ooh, but that's pretty. That's how it would look on. Let's do $6 on this one. That is very nice. What are we at? 12 minutes. Oh, we have a class calf hair, and it's got some wear, so that will go into craft. Let's see. We have a statement necklace. And something else attached to it. Again, no brand. You see that? All right. They're all there except, let's see. You know what? I think it might be missing one. It is missing one. All right. That's going to go into craft for $1. This is nice. This is a brass cuff. It just has a little heart. I've seen something like this too. So I might gonna have to research this one and put it on the screen. So that was easy on and off for my wrist. And I am a between 6.5. So that's a 6, 1 inch opening in the back. But you know, this is also probably adjustable to you. So that's nice. Yeah, I'll have to look that up before I post this video. God, I hate jewelry that's got this ribbon on it. But this is a beautiful piece of glass. Look at that. So anybody wants this, this will be $1, mainly just for the glass. Not silver. It's tarnished pretty bad. The chain is nice. It's like the diamond cut. Probably stainless steel. It's not marked, I don't think. I'm putting this into craft definitely. So, but on the chain, let's do $2 on the chain. If you want that piece, just let me know and I'll throw it. in, but it's pretty worn. Okay, this is just a glass bead necklace. These little stations are acrylic. I'm putting it into craft because they're worn, but they're glass beads, so that would be $1. This is different. These are gold sea beads. That's kind of pretty. It's got the coppery look and painted. Not sure why it's got a silver clasp, but that's pretty. We'll just do $1 on that too. Put it into craft. So remind me it's in craft if you want it. This is child's play, so put that into craft. Ooh, this is pretty. And this one is pretty. Oh, this is really pretty. I hope there's nothing missing. This is definitely an acrylic bracelet. But this is very pretty. I don't see a name on it anywhere. It's got the gold with rhinestones. I'd say no more than a 7 to get it over your hand anyway. Everything is there. Let's do $2 on that one. This one is nice. I like it. Always making friends. Oh, I know. Oh, this is Waxing Poetic. These, I sold a ring not too long ago for like $90. This needs a little bit of reshaping. But yeah, Waxing Poetic. These are in high demand. You can adjust it to fit any wrist, and I think that's probably why it got bent here in the center. Someone had a really tiny wrist, but it's coming right out. So this could be for any size wrist. But Waxing Poetic, I'm going to put 15 on this one. Brass, very nice. It's a very sought after brand, by the way. All right. Here we have just a wrap, probably, oops, a faux leather. I put lotion on my hands so I can't smell the leather like I normally do. Unbranded. Oh, come on, get off of it, Went. But it's in excellent condition. Rhinestones. Look at there. I don't see any missing. And it is adjustable from 7.5 to 8.25. So, yeah. Too small for me, but that's the way it would look. Nice. This is pretty. And it's like brand new. So let's say $3 on this one. Oh, this is fun. Another bracelet. It is silver tone. It is not marked. It's got the diamond cut here. It's very pretty. I do not see any markings on it, I don't think. Unless this is marked. And it might be. Let me check. Let me check. Well, that's pretty. And it would fit any size. So let's just say $2 on that. What else we got here? Let's do a couple more and then I'll finish it up on the next one. Oh, look. We have a little pen. It says, "Be mine, Valentine's Day is right around the corner." I don't think it's marked. Oops. It looks like it's just a pen, so just do $1 on that. Somebody wants this for Valentine's Day. What else we got? Oh, we have another pen. I know what these are. The Ridgewood collection. Yeah. Nice. Tennessee Snowman. I should keep that being I live here. But, yeah, these are, I think these are selling for 20 and up online. So let's do, that's in really good condition. Let's do 8 on that. And, oh, this is a really pretty earring. Deborah, if you're watching, I want this one. It's not sterling, I don't think. But if you have the match to this, I want it. My birthstone is Peridot, and I know it's a little bit greener than Peridot, but it's pretty. I like it. All right. Who's about done with this one? Let's see if I can get something that's not attached to something else. Got some. I can't do this one right now, but I'm going to do it anyway. Beautiful, very dainty necklace. Yep. If anyone knows who this is by, let me know. This is very, very pretty and dainty. Love it. It's got 4 different stones on a gold tone bar. I don't see a maker, but you know it's got to have one. So to get this video up, probably not going to have a price for this one. If I figure it out, I'll put it in the next one. And yeah, let's see. So this is about 14. With a 2-inch extender. This is gorgeous. This is a beautiful necklace. I will see. This is prong set. These are bezel set. It's just made really well. So I will hunt it down and see if I can find it, because that's beautiful. And I'll put a price on the screen for that one. All right, so let's not do any more. You know, I have a lot here to do. I just don't have time to do it. And we can do this one real quick. This is another little pen, like a brooch. It is not marked either. So let's do $1 on that one. All right, guys, I didn't get through a whole lot. Sorry. I'll finish it up on the next one and go from there. So I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to you again tomorrow night. Thank you. Lily out.